thing, which we're going to talk about it soon. So my makeup artist Florian, who's a very very dear, one of the best makeup artists,
Yes.
and is very dear to most of us. He was really missing you, and he said, I remember when Surili came to your shoot one day. I don't know from where she found some really the most pink a lipstick can be. Utna pink fuchsia lipstick she found in his kit, and he said probably I would have never ever used and never even shown you also. And she's like, that's the best color and that's what I'm going to wear. And he ended up wearing also, I remember. He said it was so pink for my eyes. I'm like, please, but
I love bright colors.
but he was praising you. Said you need confidence to carry it, and so
I am very confident, super confident. I can
don't
carry black also on my lips.
But I'm somebody who likes like very very natural, subtle colors, very subtle look.
I'm more Jatak.
Yeah, like as you can see, Surili पूरा तैयार वैयार होके बैठते हैं. And for me, every day it's about just changing night suits.
She's wearing night suit. I'm wearing a dress.
Right now.
She's
I'm
wearing
all
a night
short.
suit.
I'm all ready.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I love
I'm wearing a dress. She's wearing a night suit, pajama and her night top.
Which is your favorite place, Surili?
Switzerland.
मैं तुझे ऐसी जगह लेके जाती हूँ जहाँ पर पासपोर्ट की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती.
Switzerland is my favorite, most favorite, and I've not been to Switzerland, but it's a dream destination.
One day I told her, I said कि pack your bags, we are going somewhere. And she said, हाँ सच में मैं पासपोर्ट रेडी कर लिया मैंने पासपोर्ट ऐसी जगह है पासपोर्ट की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
ऐसी जगह.
I was going to take her to some place in Himachal जहाँ पे वो actually not in Himachal, Kerala. वहाँ पर they make you practice organic farming and all those things, but Surili said no, I don't want to do that. They give you a very forest. सूरी में हमारा है घर वहाँ पर और हिमाचल में है.
नहीं, but I'm happy with my bucket list में Switzerland जाने के लिए. I think I'll do that rather than going to Kerala. I'll explore the cities, Swiss shopping, Swiss food, Swiss travel.
I personally feel कि इंडिया में पहले बहुत सारी जगह है जो हमने देखी नहीं है and we must visit.
Yami ji, please.
North East is beautiful. हिमाचल तो of course है ही है. Kerala is stunning.
I've been to Kerala, ma'am.
मेरे साथ ना shoot पे
forgotten.
my first ever Malayalam film, and that was the only Malayalam.
Kerala, Hyderabad, Bangalore.
Okay, and let's take some questions.
Do you like art, Yami? Oh, that reminded me of your paintings.
Please, So I started painting in lockdown, okay, and उनमें से at least एक तो बहुत अच्छी थी. मम्मी ने बोला कि मम्मी फ्रेम करवाएंगे. मम्मी is gonna get it framed, and
Mama से पूछना where is she going to keep that?
that she's not decided. But but so I started, and जो मजाक मैडम सुरीली ने मेरा उड़ाया है, she gave me her version of what we all look like and what I'm going to end up painting. I think it was a very funny illustration. But nahi Surili, I'm a very good artist. I learned cooking. I started painting
Yami
and
sings
sketching.
very well. She sings. Yami sings very well. Especially हम तुम फिल्म का जो टाइटल ट्रैक है वो यामी जी बहुत अच्छा गाते हैं. यामी जी गा के सुनाइए. यामी जी गा के सुनाइए. यामी sings really well. यामी गाना हम तुम.
So why she?
We have a story behind this.
This is battery is low. We have a story. I was in high school and Surili मुझसे 3 साल छोटी है. और वो नहीं होता आप किसी के घर जाते हो and then says बेटा गाना गा के सुनाओ. I don't know why, but and I never sing and I used to never sing or dance or do anything in front of like I was way too shy. I was not really a performer, or I was not really a very extrovert kind of a kid. I was a closet dancer. I was a closet actor. I was a closet impersonator and all these things, and just a bookworm. Really studious. Teachers की लाडली, teachers की प्यारी. But So one day, I don't know why, for some reason.
And somehow teachers believe नहीं करते थे that I'm her sister.
Yeah, that's
So they used to get shocked. Yummy दी बहन है. Because Yummy was super intelligent, super studious, everything like
But-
pro, and I'm mast malang.
No, but you were really good in dramatics
Yeah.
and extra.
I was even good at
co-curricular-
studies. Yummy.
Studies also, co-curricular activities.
Yeah.
And but yeah, so that's the story. And so finally, so the time when I actually ended up singing, it was this song, and I
From
don't know
Hum
why.
Tum title track,
Because that's a film which had just released.
and I couldn't
remember.
stop laughing.
Yeah, it was a little funny. I think I went too carried away.
Yeah, she went too carried away.
Like,
She got
I-
emotional.
I didn't get emotional.
You
Please,
got emotional, Yummy.
Please,
हम
Surili.
सांसों को सांसों
Imagine you're away for a family dinner and you end up singing this for your uncles and aunties.
यहाँ में तो वो भी गाई
Surili, I think we should move.
अंतरा
move
वो
over.
क्या बोलते हैं
I think we should just move over this conversation. Acha, let's take some questions. Hi Akshat. And sorry, Surili, just I think have you left the room?
No, we're switching on the AC because it's hot.
Right. Phone hill ka Surili.
Sorry.
Yes, we'd love to come to Jammu also. It's so beautiful.
I
of
visited
course.
Jammu.
No? I haven't. It's really beautiful. Hello Fadi. Hi Naveen. Pani Dha. No, it's a Pani Da actually. Vikramaditya, but. Hi Yam. Hi Pooja. And so yeah, anything. So do you want to say anything more? Before the battery completely, like we run out of battery. मैं किसी का रिप्लाई नहीं करती. क्या बात करते हो आप मस्ताक जी? मैं सबका, मैं जितना हो सकता है मैं बिल्कुल मेंशन करती हूँ. I love staying connected with my fans. So really, I think little distance will be nice. I love staying connected with all my fans. And and sometimes of course it's possible. Sometimes it's not possible. But
hairstyle
as much as
Can I please make your hairstyle? As it's
As-
super hairstyle.
please, they are bangs are in.
Yeah.
But I must say one thing ki I try and read as many messages as much as possible. I try and mentioning as many posts as possible because I love you guys, and I know that it's been a difficult journey, especially when you are coming from a different city, from a different town, a completely different family background. But you know, it's apart from your family, apart from you know, certain people, your fans, the loyalty of your fans and the love that you all give.
मुझे बहुत ज्ञान देते हैं.
ये ज्ञान नहीं है, ये सच बात है.
यहाँ मुझे बहुत ज्ञान देते हैं.
नहीं, ये बिल्कुल सच बात. No, I really mean it. It means a lot. It means a lot that you people wait for my films. You people appreciate the kind of films and scripts that I choose to be a part of.
Yes.
I'm not somebody who is very heavily active when it comes to social media or too much PR about myself. I'm little selective about it. I always feel कि आपका जो काम है वो आपके लिए बोलता है. That should speak for you. And so you accept me for the way I am and how I am, and that means the most to me. Correct?
Absolutely.
Hi Priyanka. And yeah. Anything else, Surili?
I'm missing watching films in theatre.
Hi Pari, I'm not ignoring you at all, and I love your name. It's one of my favorite characters that I ever played, Pari Mishra. So how can I? Hello Ozir. Hi guys. Hi Cool Danny. Hi Ravid. Hi. Surili, can you think of something? Can you cook, Surili? Somebody's asked you.
Of course.
Priyanshi has asked you.
Of course. I cook. यामी जी बताएंगे. यामी जी बताइए.
Actually, Surili is a terrific cook. She started cooking,
At a very
I
young
think, जब से 8th standard में, 7th या 8th standard से she started cooking, and because she was a foodie, actually we still are, but she was जो उसको पसंद था खाना, परांठे, banana shakes and
No. Shakes
Parathe.
and all. Yami
हाँ,
been
shake
very
है.
good with shakes and
Yeah,
baking
little
and
fancy
all.
stuff.
But I know how to
परांठे and sabzi and rajma and paneer and chole, dal makhni. Like today also, the parantha, simple parantha also that Surili makes. It's
remembered by
amazing.
everybody. जो खाता है. So I'm a good cook.
She's
Apparently.
a fantastic cook.
Chai. I make really
Chai,
good tea.
chai is so important. in Gautam house.
So I.
So है.
So I'm a good cook. और तू बता दे कि तू किससे इंस्पायर हुई है कुकिंग में.
Surili. Do I have an option to say it? Take another name. I can't take mummy's name, bade mummy's
No,
name.
but I've inspired you. I used to cook so well.
She's actually inspired me.
Pulao and biryani तो नहीं आता मुझे.
Biryani,
Pulao and all.
pulao,
I
but
cook really
like-
well.
I feel anybody who can cook with really simple and bare minimum
Masalas.
masalas is a fantastic cook. Somebody asked Surili, कोई nickname है?
हाँ बहुत है.
कोई nickname
जहाँ जाती हूँ एक बंदा नया निकनेम बना देता है. कोई ये seriously I have like Yami calls me Shilly, my friends call me Soor,
Hi Vinayak.
my नानके calls me Surla Singh, my और Yami शिल्लू शिल्ले
और पुचका.
शिल्ला पुचका
Puchka. Why? I'll tell you Puchka. Puchar.
पुच्चर.
I remember because in Punjabi, Puchar, she was like really
Fat.
cute, chubby kid. So वो तो नहीं होता Puchar. Maybe they mean like a pitcher pot. So in Punjabi,
like a matka.
like a
it has so
matka.
goal.
So she, a lot of
Very,
our
very
neighbor
fat
aunties
and
used
plump.
to, they used to call her Puchka. नहीं Puchar. Puchar.
Like that. There are a lot of nicknames.
Somebody's asking who's with you in live chat. That's Surili. I'll say it again. My sister.
I think तुमने मजाक किया है जिसने पूछा है क्योंकि सबको पता है. तो तुम नाटक कर रहे हो जो तुमने पूछा है. ड्रामा कर रहे हो. Everybody knows.
पानी पतासे. What's that? पानी पतासे. और
पानी पता से.
I don't know what it means. But how differently Yami is pronounced in other states.
Yami.
Not in other states, but
My UK accent is very good.
I think we should keep that from the other chat. So really like a personal chat. Actually not other states, but बचपन से ही बहुत I'm so used to my name being mispronounced. And जब भी कुछ prize distribution ceremony होती थी, I used to feel very already like embarrassed because I don't know this time what my teachers are going to call me out. Somebody used to say yummy, yummy, yani,
Yamini.
Yamini,
Yamin.
Till date, one of our closest aunties, she calls me Yamin. And I have stopped correcting. I don't correct her anymore. So I'm so used to different versions and pronunciations of my name.
People also used to call me Sunil.
So, but I am Yami. Simple. Y-A-M-I. Yami. So, lockdown days हम क्या क्या करें? By the way, I was in Bombay for 3 months in lockdown. All by myself, me and my house help. My house help also couldn't travel because it wasn't safe anymore. तो हम दोनों ही थे. Mummy, Papa, Surili, Ojas, they were all here in Chandigarh. And
Yeah, I was all alone.
Yeah, I was all alone. And but I made it a point that every day, Surili, not on phone, please. Every day.
I'm multitasking.
Every day I just made sure we would FaceTime like 2-3 times a day. I would cook every day. I would paint. I would practice yoga. Anything that kept me busy.
This is a very important question, Yami. You have to answer this for me.
Bestest quality thing in your bond as sisters. I think the bond itself, I think it's the most beautiful essence, I think, in itself. We are so different in so many things. She loves Punjabi music. I listen to it because she loves it. Sometimes I don't have a choice when you're sharing the room. But it's just pure love. It's just pure selfless love that you want so many good things for your sister. You want best things to happen for your sister, and the fact that no matter what, no matter when, you have each other's back. You have each other's support for all our lives forever. I think that's the best thing. You can fall back on your sister for anything, any advice, any support. I know there have been times in Bombay where I really needed a family member physically staying with me because it gets so emotionally taxing all the time though, but especially when you are so vulnerable and when you're so new. There are times when you want to come back home to your family, you want to unwind your day, you want to share that you've had a bad day, you want to share that you've not had a good experience, you want to get encouraged, you want to get you want to get your morale high. So for me, Surili has been that one person who's always, there's never a dull moment with her. And forget me, all my entire team knows that more than me. Whenever we shoot and we all